Hey everyone, today we're diving into how to integrate SparkLook with ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss out on the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. First up, you'll need to set up a Zapier account to connect ConvertKit with SparkLook. Head over to the Zapier dashboard, click on Create, and then select Zaps. If you need any assistance, the Copilot is there to guide you. Select both ConvertKit and SparkLook from the list of options and enter the required details on the right side of the screen. To connect your ConvertKit account, click Sign In and input the API key for ConvertKit. Go to ConvertKit, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Once you paste it, click Yes. Connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Repeat this process to log into your SparkLook account. Here you need to add API key from your SparkLook account. After that, configure your settings and click Publish, and you're all set. I hope this video makes the process clear and easy for you. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started. So be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.